with just a random rock she found. She put dog lit AF. So check this out. Behind her is a swimming pool. I don't know if y'all can see up underneath there, but that's a swimming pool. They just put this cover over it. And then there's this. Got a little garage apartment, which is also the pool house. Check this out. I'm gonna whip around this way. That fence right there is the fence in between the US and Mexico. That's the sewer treatment facility. And right there, that fence on that hill over there, that's Mexico. This is a cool ass spot, man. This is cool as shit. Because that's Mexico. I don't know if that's drinking water or sewer water. I don't know what that is, but that fence is all Mexico. This is your pool. This is your mansion. This is your 2-story, 1-bedroom house. I mean, I don't even know. I don't know why they covered the pool up. What's it? What you got, baby?
I found a cactus.
You found a cactus? You damn sure did. Don't touch it. Kick around these rocks, might find a rattlesnake. Just think about that. So, Mexico is just on the other side. I mean, all that brush you're seeing, that's Mexico. Got a mansion on a hill. Come on, baby. Come this way. And Emery left some hieroglyphics for the people, but come on, baby. I don't want her to fall in that pool. So, what I'm going to do, this is kind of a gangster strategy, but I don't know. It looks like somebody started working on this. Come on, baby. Come on here. It looks like somebody started working on it, but then gave up or ran out of money because it's got all this new electrical. You got the garage apartment up there, which looks pretty cool.
Come over here, Dad. I found something.
What'd you find?
A gate.
A gate. Open it.
It's locked.
You gotta pull in on this and push on it. I mean, I really do like this house. It's got the old, I don't even know what that is. Vent pipe, sewer pipe. Here, let me in. I mean, it's gangster. And they put the new plumbing on, and you got the view of Mexico. Like I said, that over there, that's Mexico. So, go, baby. Go through. Look, you catch up when you get ready. It's got this badass like porch. I don't know. I don't want to say it's a drug cartel's house, but at one point, this was the nicest house in town. Emery, you better come on. I'm gonna leave you. Got a porch. The upstairs. See, there's a porch too. Goes all the way around. Mesquite trees. All I see when I see something like this is a badass bed and breakfast. Come on, Ems. So, since I'm gangster, come on. Come on. Emery's like collecting rocks. What are you gonna do with them rocks? Huh? What are you gonna do with them rocks? Come on. I'm gonna have a car full of rocks by the time this is done. Alright, I'm gonna show you what I do. When I find a vacant house that I like, and I want to hear from the owner, ready, Ems?
Yeah.
See, they got all their political signs up. Look, it's even got a very, very top story like balcony. I mean, this thing is cool, like way cool. And now I put a sign in the yard letting people know I buy houses. See, I got the busy highway, all those folks. Come on, Ems.
Where are we going now?
We're gonna go get our toes did, baby. But this is cool. I wouldn't mind hearing, getting a call from my owner cussing me out for this. So I'll see y'all.